Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make garlic oil and garlic confit. For this, I'm using 2 small ramekins with lid. I divide my peeled garlics into those 2 containers. Or you can use a bigger one. I have some fresh rosemary and thyme, which I add for better taste. Plus I add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, and I pour that over them until it covers them. If you like this content, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit that thumbs up. It helps us grow this channel. Cooking this is a very slow process, and it needs to be in the oven for at least 1 hour or until the color changes to gold color. So after 1 hour in the oven, you can see the color change to golden. And you can use this in any food possible. Today I have some keto flatbread. Just smash 2 of these garlics. As you can see, they are very soft and caramelized, so the taste should be delicious. Plus I have some fresh oregano that I use the leaves. If you want to see any other video, please let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one. Bon appetit.